What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So me have a bunch of things me I go share with other people. Me don't know which path to start. Me don't even know if we can do that intro yeah. And you know me not do the intro, me just a go to some name and then we go jump in at my people. And some jump and knock in at the background. Me don't know if I will be at them work or what, but wanna see with it if you don't hear it. You see me? I try my best to kinda make it lower than how it actually is, you see me? So you know sound to annoy in the background, but yeah. So here we go my people. Yeah, we have Miss Triple, we have Shibada, we have Jonah, you see me? I say we have Ivany, I think we have Rosealee, we have people, we have a bunch of people. You see me? I say a bunch of mix up and problem and argument. You see me? Because Shibada come for Miss Triple are defend herself. So my people, we just have to get right in it. As me say, we can't bother to do the intro because there's so much things to share with people. Me not gonna remember everything and so much. You know what? We could just jump in it. We done the talking in the intro and we could just get in at the video, my people.
Look here, Storm, go back. Which part them just be there from? Stay there. Don't come out. Back. No man. Storm, I feel like me have talent. Replay. No. Alright now people, let me say this. I remember when I didn't send me one thing, Rosealee want to send the people them a foreign. But it look like she want to send them by the Disney trip and the woman take them. No, come here people. Why only not listen to when time I talk? Me never tell you say Miss Triple is a dog shit. Me never come out and tell you say Triple is a dog shit and a thief. And you know what other people do? Other class, man. When me tell you say Miss Triple they behind the scenes like Swissly and she a fun and I encourage all slackness. Wanna not believe me, you know? Everybody talk about Miss Triple is one of the most caring individual, the most intelligent and soft-spoken, and me say that lady is a whore dog. Wanna cuss me now? Wanna cuss me? Wanna class me now? And me first telling about Triple, you know? Una remember? Una don't remember? When me tell you say, most of the times, you see these people come up front, they are pretending in front of you. Like when I want to come every day and repeat myself. And me alone sit up on the app, you know, and tell you, you know, and no cuss me. Why this boy hate woman? Which is true. Me hate them in a nature. You know, me not hate them in a real life, but just nature. You know, like who do them, me that make them baby father and boyfriend do me. And me first come tell you now, say, you need to hear it for believe it. You need to hear it for believe it. Me never tell you no, oh, Rosealee evil and 30 people report pan Jake so Jake's not get the US visa. Me never tell you no dance. I know she have 30 people I buy for her. Then when I get the after effect and I want me to come talk about Melissa will soon come. She done. Me not tell you say Rosealee can't keep her mouth and enter your ear. She listen for one word which she always use. Move, she so move. I know she applied on the big woman with their foreign. Where I hear Rosealee the big nasty woman. But they are foreign, I'm soon carry on him go get Donald Trump. So me never did tell on all of them something here and Rosealee tie up Jake's belly. Me never tell you no. That's why sometimes me not do my program, you know. Because every history repeats itself, I'm a pastor stage. Know what is some of you guys' problem? A shame on a shame like dog. ashamed. That's why I say everything that I say I come to pass. You see, no for uno gonna make them people make gonna sick, make gonna dead early. Uno gonna make them people make gonna broke, make gonna lose on sanity. Me tell you say no for uno. All the gift where help Rosealee, she would have full of sickness like dog. Me nah ask you. She would have pay a piece, would have smell like pharmacy. Me nah ask you to oil full of chemical. Me nah ask you, my love. When me talk them something here, and you know so no wicked, you see female, you see anytime a story come up on the app again, say man analyze any girl, I want to hear someone so cocky girl jump up and say, Anjo, where you someone for go and go suck on a mother. When GX the triple, make triple one take down GX triple. You know have dirty Batman solitaire, where you study with, we talk some things, you know. Triple no provoke me, and triple just rest me. Just rest me because triple have one exception, she never takes solitaire from a man. Oh. And that if you go find out, you are carrying matey feelings to what we talk something in triple. That's why I like playing my music, you know. That's why I like playing my music. You say you want wicked dirty girl. Diamond, you want wicked dirty girl. You have to talk about figure it out, then make you know secret so you can't leave. You have to talk about that. Figure it out, then make you know secret where you can't leave the crew. Cause them plan for deny you. You know so no wicked and dirty. When it's a set of dirty germs from the happen of the whole of uno. The whole of uno. Diamond we are with away. Diamond will favor Whistler when you turn it sideways. You know, so the whole of the wicked, where GX the Rosealee? What did GX the Rosealee that is so unforgiving? What did GX the Rosealee, Diamond? You sit down, I'll suck cocky triple. All your opinion, them must walk and suck with liquor, batty and drink coming up. Triple, you want wicked dirty girl with the lean surgery, you know? Hey, me say, God knows some wickedness for the panda app. Hey, me I tell you, Father God, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. People can't wicked so. When they decide for mash up Jakes, triple go mash up solitaire where I give you born. Cause the cocky where you take the ban shit pan it, still a ban shit pan it and it now wipe off. I want a nasty triple where I take batty body. Eh? And I go like a lady, look where you defend, where you walk and mind, where I'm mad you. Some with shit. You're not, boy, I'm not telling a lie. Rosealee, I'm not telling a lie. Somebody want to jump up and spit in a Rosealee face.
Yeah, my people don't know, so when she bad attack, boy, man, some things to say more while where me have to wonder if I truth or lie, you see me, come on, know how him get certain information, you understand me? Some people want to tell more what they think, and we are going to watch some more and I'm going to hear me stripper respond.
No man, for sure, they know they kind of something that, you know, them bad thing they mean. So what to that if GX sex Rosealee Mada? How much people Rosealee sex for Laverne? Them a go like them never used to exchange a car changing lanes. Anything where Rosealee come and tell you say, I wish you do. Chick not fly far from the block. I wish you do. And besides, GX supposed to go and Rosealee Mada when Chanta is not for GX. And that the whole lot of me tell you say Chanta is not for GX. When I go like Rosealee writing at this. Wanna move from your song way. GX supposed to urge Rosealee by hurting Laverne. I want if an artist tell me say them sex girl mother. I want to take care of all the mother look them. I want to keep the cocky of the family now straight. If it go down the road, Rosealee cry and she lose back. So what if him sex it can't hurt Rosealee or him sex Laverne. Because I'm Laverne alone, GX grind and Rosealee for see the rest of girl and respect them. Aye, Captain, SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah. So she just have a vendetta against Laverne. A wickedness. She want to sacrifice that woman. Like rebel. Yeah. Anytime you see them and go and start sacrifice them. Remember 1 year now you're dead, you know. Oh, and that crew they want blood. So Rosealee want to sacrifice that woman the same way them say rebel sacrifice the woman. Yeah. You know, say, a sacrificial offering, them a look. Right, Jake sexy mother and today it hurts you. Today it hurts you and Jake sexy mother. And you are your mother in a house till the woman and wash your clothes. Rosealee, you are without excuse. You are without excuse. The crew wanna in and the OB wanna work it one blood. It's either gonna sacrifice diamond and I will just pack up this shit. It's either gonna sacrifice diamond because she are with her already. Oh, it's either gonna sacrifice diamond. Diamond can't take the sacrifice now. Remember diamond don't have much. Yeah, she don't have much. She can't take the sacrifice. It's either gonna sacrifice diamond. The whole I wanna play gonna matter because the sacrifice. You don't want sacrifice on a woman. And that Rosealee look. Sacrificial offering. Gonna make Akim sacrifice being woman with the tongue ring. Gonna make him sacrifice she. You never know. Sorry. No man, it's true. When me tell you say that girl is a wicked girl towards the man, we shady. We shady. Eh? But the mama boss be in and can't walk. Boss be in and her foot can't move. Are the sin? Are the evil? Are the evil? I tell you say you're too damn thief. At that. Yeah. On the two outer order. Gang. You still the show, Shibby. You me still the show. You never come watch me yet. You know how long you watch me from Bo Bashment. Granny, you ask me still the show. Then that's so long you broke in a day time, yeah? You just get a thing, you win cash part. You ask me still the show. If you gotta buy a ticket, you don't know so me still the show. You watch Man Problem? No. You don't watch Man Problem, man, no. You watch Double Trouble? No. You don't watch Double Trouble. So we have drama back in the Bashment Granny era for big bitch. How long you broke? Money talk and bullshit walk and you don't assume your position. You know how long you walk until I can't even see your head back. Sure. This is with the pan bigger matters, you know you ask me that. You know you broke. I will give a bonus. By just scrolling, by just stopping, by just viewing. You never know that. I want to support Rosealee. I want to make Rosealee stand up and destroy Jakes and triple voice about we are going to take him down. Go take down Solitaire Udo to the bottom. This big stinking nasty orange girl named Triple, we are so good, we cocky drop her out of education. Cause from she had 18, she don't have no crutches, you know? Miss Triple can't have no hole. You are 32 and look how you look, Triple. You are 32 and you look like you could have me over and over and over until the fat lady sing. You are 32 and look how you look, lady. Mr. the amount of card we watched last night on the Rosealee live. The amount of card and you still couldn't take down Jakes. Yeah, my baby. On the too evil. On the too evil. And Triple go like she a lady a standard. The first man you're taking your own was a batty boy. You're not a lady a standard. Oh. Correct that and get back to you. Yeah, correct that and get back to us. When it's a wicked set of serpent. And you see the people in the pan Rosealee live at night time, daytime, and afternoon time. I never feel it so. Because I support this lady to damage other people. I do it. And if Tiki come on live and Tiki say, him like an underage, when you cancel Tiki, look what you do to Zozo, Rosealee have uno under fair spell. And that mean no, just like R0B. I want a sacrificial lamb, you know. I uno a sacrificial lamb. None could get my spirit to attach to Rosalee's life. Nothing. Nothing in this world. As some know say no for uno hooked and phonics. You wonder why you watch this and you're not even enjoying it, but you still have to watch it. You never know. Nothing could have never get me attached to that. You can't play with my spirit, so you mad? So you know how much persons under a spell and tell me if history not repeat itself. Same way when Abel about the candle him light full. Same way when now the girl science not strong. Full the spirit weak. Stop it. The girl science not strong. It goes to show how open enough on the spirit be. So it's enough on the way to have a woman righteous and nothing can't come around me. You don't get captured long time. You don't get captured. I want to know from I have been on the app. I have never connected my spirit with none of them. You mad people that never sit down and watch them. That goes to show the influence we're under. You never know though. You never know. You see how easy? You see how easy? Them walk and capture the ones in the wilderness. So when some other leader when I want their whole life now go right phone a seat there, you guys been captured because it don't make no sense. You go somewhere, go sit there for hours or minutes and then come back and chat against it, and then tomorrow or later you're gone again and sit up for hours or minutes. This come like when you have a sin in your life and it's your weakness and you want to get rid of it. And you cannot, no care where you try. Father God, help me get rid of this. And no care where you pray, you fast, you pray, you want it. That's all. When a sheep will lead astray, oh no. Barbz doing so, world dog doing so, Swiftly doing so. When you see some of them on this, that's why when you bother me, you know. When you don't bother me, and I say to God, when you don't bother me, the amount of candle will make people spend money. The amount of candle will make people do all sorts of wrong stuff. These candles influences you to be like me or what I want you to be. These candles. So now get up now. Rosealee wicked, you say. Rosealee cannot be more wicked than Uno, who are support her by just watching her live.
Alright my people, I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section if you don't believe them type of thing you wish Mada say, because these are some serious things, you know, my people. You see me, but even the fantastic my people, who name why I know? Rosealee must be the stone man and figure it out be the slender man. And why next two character? Tell me who are the who is what because they get a name in the people. We don't line up. We can watch some more.
She can't be more wicked than Uno. Uno never know. Because if she's wicked, she's the head of the wickedness. You guys are the students. You guys take time out under any shenanigans that lady posts to leave a comment, whether good or bad. Check yourself. Check yourself. And whether you leave a good comment or a bad comment, she just want to know she's making headline where screen recording is concerned. Check the levels. So even something as simple as that, it's meaningful to her. It no mean shit to no, but yet still. So are we going to sit here and talk about Rosealee, bad mind? Bad mind is of the past. That's wickedness, that's witchcraft. Bad mind is of the past. So you really under the influence of Rosealee, and then I come now and talk about your bad mind and they say you reach. No, you not catch up yet. You not catch up yet. Bad mind is of old because you don't need glasses or a premonition or discernment to know that Rosealee is bad mind. That's not her aim. Her aim is negativity. And the reason for her to be so negative is with the support of you guys. Because if you ask her, she's gonna say negative sells. Negativity sells. Why shouldn't she work witchcraft? Why shouldn't she? When is witchcraft entertain honor? So she has to work witchcraft. Remember, witchcraft entertain you guys. All I want upon the app entertained by witchcraft. All I want, and I love it. And I love it. If something is not negative, it doesn't get the traction. It doesn't get the traction like when something negative would I get. And I love it. Me I go by here so them I talk about this. If not talk about nothing, them come off of the live. What your spirit is saying, you have a nasty spirit that is hungry for negativity. That is why the lady don't see you can behave the way she behaving, because she's everything that the spirit desire. But I want to sink in little. Okay, rest little. Boss lady, thank you, my baby. Thank you very much. Make it just sink in little. You know every single thing we are going on. You know some you end up in a spot where you become very hypocritical. You never hypocrite now. Or you did mild hypocrite and now you turn spicy hypocrite. Spicy hypocrite. You very hypocritical. You will sit on one life, entertain it, move to the next life, entertain it. You like chaff that the wind drive it away. True, true. The Bible never wrong.
Last night, me the moment business in same here. Me will take him down. I don't even talk like that. Or me will take him down. You hear the recording, you hear my voice saying me will take him down. And that's what tell me say. Me who never depend on phone with Rose born or take long, you tell me say you hear me say me will take him down. Then that makes sense? I don't even shoot against people who I don't like, much less to shoot against people who somebody else don't like. You never see me on the app shooting against anybody. You don't know who me not like fire. You don't ever see me shooting against them. I rather wait till them gone and me send the person something. It's not even if I shoot her, you go talk, but you hear me saying. You hear me saying, me will take him down. I don't even talk like that saying I'm going to take down somebody. Come here.
People want to tell me what they think in the comment section. You see, me personally still, Miss Triple kinda, me not have her as the type of person where I go bad mind and want bring down people or take them down or whatever. But you never know who is who still. But she don't just, you know when you look on somebody and you say, you know what I mean, that person seems like a person who me not get that from Miss Triple. But me know what to think.
I don't know, I'm tired of him, God no. Honestly. A years him a live for me now. I'm gonna show you how him lie. And him not have nothing to say about me. First, him come tell the people them say. A years ago this start, you know. Mada come tell the people them say. My man a scammer. Him a drugs man. Him a gun man. You know remember? Now we must say me a mind the man. You say the man a scammer. The man have pay illegal money. Now you say me a mind him. You come and you tell the place say. You come and you tell the place say. It's not my man. Him live with woman and a people man me I take. Me still not trouble you when everybody knows say me and this man live together for years. Me not trouble you. That no work. You come back now and say my batty man. Him there with Drake's brother. And before you say no, Rosealee obia him for me. When me come with him, me come with my man pan TikTok. So how Rosealee, me meet Rosealee pan TikTok, right? So if me have my man before TikTok, how Rosealee obia him for me? That no enough. You come again, you say, me filing come through and me gonna foreign left me pitney them. Me won't even send for me pitney them. All along me pitney them live with me, you know, me not trouble you. Me pitney them a US citizen. Who follow me know say me always have me pitney them. Me not trouble you again. Una realize a pattern. Una realize say him not have nothing to say about me. Every time he's coming at me, it's always my kids or my man. Una realize it's never about me. The only thing he can say about me is my body lean. You realize he has no information about me and that burn him, that bad him. Una realize that he has never, you see like when him have the dirt pan everybody else and can't tell him about them. Una realize that he can't tell him about me. The only thing he can say about Triple O, our body lean, our pitney them out take peel a cock, our cock or bust out our pitney them out. Our man illegal, our man a batman. It's never about me. What happened, Junior? I don't know what is that.
You shoot out my boy out at #1.
Ah, you know me not do that.
I can't me and say no, we are people that never do that. And you know the people them start say now, through GX left Rosealee make you shoot him out. Me I tell
you know me not go do that, Junior.
You
so
know
I
you not
do that question.
Yeah, but that them say. Crazy message me get pam my phone from morning. Triple shoot out GX out at #1 and get sharp boss at #1 through GX left Rosealee. You know people them mix up and stay.
Junior, you know me not go recharge to shoot down nobody. If me a recharge to send somebody something because them probably have a match or me want to send them something or something like that. Me not go recharge to shoot down nobody. If me not recharge to shoot down who me not like or somebody else not like me on shoot down.
I don't me out triple me will load them yeah. Cause if me a your best year you never shoot for me so.
My voice is never heard. My voice was never heard on no screen recording. My voice was never heard.
Chat, focus.
That's impossible. You better not say when I make it out for be me. I don't want it for be me. Listen to my voice. You never hear this voice planning to shoot down anybody. And if I was planning to shoot down somebody, where's the shoot down what me do? Wait there. Me change my mind.
Them say Mr. M call me. Yeah, tell him me I play a match. Me soon come.
Of course I want it to be me badly.
Yeah, Empress CPT. Me a forward.
Me can't catch a break. This man live for me for years. Me no pay him no mind. Me answer him one time, me leave him. People always saying obsessed with me, saying breeze me one little time. Me look like him ready to pick me up back now. So you feel say me shoot for somebody or whatever. Say you talk about my pitney them if you have peer cocking at them mouth and them. Me tell you what is your biggest thing, Mada. You realize say every time him cuss me, him say, me don't know how to look up to her. Me don't know how I don't feel like she has somebody. That is his problem. Because people respect me. Because people like me. I know everybody a vagabond, like what the pan film side. Him vex about that. Him vex me somebody wanna come pan you come preach and tell you if you suck out cocky. You see, because me no come here and teach my ladies them for nyam cock and juggle balls and boom pan cocky. Him not have nothing to say about me. Him try to pick apart everything about me. My business them everything. And at the end of the day, you can't walk going member, you know, and a shell corporation, me and a shell corp me have. Me don't have invisible business, Shabada, so you can't tear me apart. You can't walk Union Street, go up to Bisco Mall, go up on the second floor, and you see my business right there. So
hey, Shabada, go suck out your mother, no man, batty boy.
Me name the punish Shabada.
Go suck out your mother. Alright, Triple, me we go and run too much now, baby.
You go there, you see me next, brother. You know my man? You know anything about him? I'm bad too bad, none of Drake's from me and no batty man. Everything when you say you just, me don't know if I because you don't have the tea, you don't have nothing to say. Shabada, me love money more than me hate people. You see, if I was you, let me tell you what I would have done. You hate me, you hate Rose, you hate R0B, you hate no for Let me tell you what me would I do. Would I turn it in a one play? Would I turn TikTok in a one play? Because as me tell you, me love money more than me hate people. But you're just careless and worthless. You want nothing of your life. You was a star back then, you give up on it because I mix up. Because you love a people business. You don't sit and suck you out. Why you not say make you turn your hatred in a one player, right? One player off all of the TikTokers them and make money and tough up your thing.
Yeah, I'm confused, chat, cause this new to me, you know, I never know I saw it reach far, you know, me hear say Ray triple shoot out somebody out of #1, but I never know I say
when the business was Sky was say Shabada can't talk about cocky if you bust up my Shabada, me work hard. That's me pinning them now for take no cocky in them throat. Them now for come. You see the love what me give my children, you never get it. Cause we all know your parents here and everybody know that for Instagram days. Me provide them with love. So certain things don't happen. That's why me work so hard. You cannot take it from me. You cannot take it from me. You cannot discredit me. Cause all of my life shows.
And when me a say to you do a Triple, me a you there R0B, and me a tell you say you think bigger than when me am Shibada, him say when him.
Hey, my people, you know, say that our brilliant ideas there where Triple just give Rosealee if you do a Rosealee, give Shibada if you do a play. Our brilliant idea. You see me I say, so me know one thing because yo, Shibada always come say some things on TikTok still, you know my people. But some of the time when him say some things, you know what I mean, it sound weird, but it turn out to be true. You see me, but some of them, you know what I mean, I just I know truth. You see me, but me know one thing because these things if you are forward and put out them type of allegations about people and this and that, them can take action against you. You see me? So let me know one thing. You feel like Triple if you take action or what? Leave it in the comment.
Say yeah, me can like wrong you for evil or clear the ear and I like make certain things clear. But the moment we there so now, remember me and your time now? Yeah, Shibada go suck out him Mada again. Yeah, and just me we just read. Don't give me energy. See me oh if you can talk to me and read, just load that now I make with it. Please. Yeah, please and thanks. Chat, they're gonna some rose. Please, Triple.
Me obsessed.
Chat, some rose. Chat, some rose there, please. Yeah, man, them boy in the pay levels, man, Triple. Me and you know that, man.
I've shown how him done chat. He hate Rose so much. Look into it. Every day him get up and he cuss people who watch Rose, who support Rose. And at him I support Rose the most. Let me explain something to you. Let me break down something to you. Enough people out there still don't know who Rose is. And you see, in moment him go talk and highlight it, people start wonder who him a talk about and what a Rose girl him a talk about, and then go research and go over her life. She go give them one joke, then like her all of a sudden. You're bringing in people because you're enough and because you're stupid. You help build Rose and you don't have the sense to see that. You claim to see a sensible, you're a light head, you're a dog, and a who straight up bad mind. But if you get up and hate somebody like me, that's crazy to me. That even make no sense to me, because what is the reason?
Fox,
Me level with everybody. I don't act like I'm above anybody. I don't tell people about their mommy. I don't tell people about their children. No matter what me and you have, I respect everybody. You understand? So you see the respect what me have, you're not evil. You can't even. Not evil if all of you come together. You can't get it taken away from me.
Paper chaser. Suck out your mother. Anybody boy in a chat will say that a while ago. Moderator, give him something to you now.
That's all you can say about me. That's all you can say about me. Sneaky. You don't have nothing to say. You don't have nothing real for me and that hurt to know. You say you can't talk about the next person, Tom, Dick and Harry. You can't talk to the next person, thief that. You can't talk to the next person, sell fuck over there. So you cannot say anything about me and that hurts. Because no matter what you do, people who love and respect me still go love and respect me. Because I show love.
Yo, tell him to send request.
From me now. Come take it from me. Any day you can take out the infected, cut them out of your body wall, you take your respect from me. Take it from me. You see, if you have a problem with me, meet me up at the blood clot doctor office at Brooklyn where you collect your medication every 6 months.
Alright, you already know?
I'm done with you now. You can't carry on and live for me again for the next 3.5 years. Power Taps chat.
Shanty Dan, thank you. Everybody chat. Focus now chat.
Rose is my team.
Power Taps my team. Everybody Power Taps chat. Yeah, back to normal now.
Roses guys, we're gonna saw Rose chat.
Yeah, back to normal chat. Power Taps.
Roses guys.
Shanty, likewise. Big up yourself. Give thanks, see money gone.
Prices, thank you. Come up, so Roses are my team. We're done with that.
Yeah. Respect. Chat. Power.
Roses my team. Millie, thank you. Mrs. Focus, thank you. Sexy Boo, thank you.
RTG gang, Power Taps, 1 triple badness, no pussy round town. Was if for some batty boy we a flick up round town, best believe, yellow tape.
18 plus 1 Rose.
Yeah man, we active man. We active man, best believe. Remember 500 piece of chicken we have.
Them nice pretty girls who grow up with roof over them head. And parents
Power Taps.
Yeah, come talk about. What man fi do them? You're bright.
Alright, me better start you up back now, baby. Come on now. Chat, catch his speed on the both side.
Yeah, on the triple chat.
Yeah, both side. Catch his speed.
They have too much love for that. They have too much love.
Chat, everybody
you wouldn't understand what that is.
Chat,
Rose.
RTG gang, Rose. Yeah, big up. Chat, everybody send a Rose. Everybody send a Rose, my team. Please and thanks, chat. John, what going right here, so? You catch his speed?
Yeah. Triple my team. Triple chat. Use the triple, guys.
Chat, some donuts, my team. Chat, remember, 6 we are.
Use the triple chat.
Yeah, 1 way we pre-roll.
Triple my team.
Drop 6. RTG gang.
We heard thank you. Triple chat.
Chat, some donuts, my team. Why
Every day
good
I
boy?
no see him. Every day I no see him. See me? Every day the blood clot. Every day the blood clot. Blood clot. The bad sperms them come up and shoot every day. Because the microbatty lodge him throat. That me I tell now I'm sure. Him have a microbatty right here so. Cause him anus lick out. So that's why I see him. Power top shot. Me done now, Junior. Me done.
Chat, they're gonna something, chat.
Me done.
Yes,
Give a thank
please.
you. Me done.
Chat, please. Chat, focus, chat. My side, some donuts there, chat. Chat, some donuts. My side, push up his score on my team.
Him a come tell you no man, you know, me suck a million cocky. And me work from your baby. Okay, where's the proof? Him go tell no me man a batty man and me pity themself up on the corner. Him go tell no me pity themself up like dog. That's all he can come tell you no say. Remember me did tell you no. Remember me did want no from now.
Chat, some donuts on my team. Chat, we don't have no gloves.
Power top shot. You snipe shot. Snipe my team.
Yo, moderator, hold the van or whatsoever the person in here. Moderator.
She heard thank you, sexy boy.
Yo, hold up,
Fever, thank you, Pisces.
Moderator, you
Thank
hold
you,
him.
my tappers. We're almost at 100k likes.
Chat, focus.
One money gun for the first triple chat.
Quap, quap. You finish work? You finish work?
Yeah.
Ah.
One money gun for the first triple my team.
Yeah, mods them asleep, strawberry.
Use the first triple chat.
Chat, they gonna something.
Don't know. Vagina. Triple chat.
Where's
First
it?
triple my team. One money gun, guys.
Nah,
Triple
yeah.
thank you. First triple chat. Guys, wanna help Virgo there. Help Virgo chat.
Some people are skydive and this I get robot and this enough for me strip leader. You see me I say, so when me want know now that she bought that this me strip and something, me I wonder who she I go run out for or am I go cry peace. Let me know what I think. Me go watch some more.
Woman not trouble no. And I see me if Mrs. Mada texted pound or two, me have one voice so can blood clot speak I'm loud. As long as me on no cool. Me will say Lord the blood clot girl alone. Nothing I said pan the girl no bully the woman. Don't take said pan people too much man. The woman not trouble you. The woman not say me never ever hear the woman mention her name none at all. She not even address certain things. Cause woman classy. I will say I want me triple liquor last suit and your big pussy is so good girl. I make you take all of your $1 blood clot them and shell them out for one blood clot liar. Whore. All at all prostitute. Lord the blood clot woman alone. Remember no morals. Wanna sell out the wall on the body parts. So I don't have nothing left. Can I sell from the idea on a blood clot toenail? I don't have nothing left for no can I sell out everything. So nothing left. Maybe have too good fuck left in on the wall, too good fuck left in on the mouth. come here and text said pan the blood clad woman like the woman trouble you. Me not busy there, Rosealee, no. Me not care about you and she. Cause that blood clad chemistry no was friend. Cause the one on sit up on phone call and chat. So I'm not busy with you and she, me dear. Remember the two on sit up, the one on sit up on phone call and plan. Or if you come tell like on people. So I'm not busy with you and she. You and Triple never talk yet. Me never see any woman they talk yet, but she's have a conversation. Much as spend a life together. And you build up this hatred because of what? Bad man, bitch. Remember on a bad man girl, you know, for the least little things on a bad man girl for. You know, just want, you know, I'm tell you on a bad man over here. On a bad man if a girl look better than you know. On a bad man if a girl prettier than you know. And that's the least little things on a bad man people for. If a girl over here make more money than on a bad man, a girl him. But I understand why a bad man triple for. Cause she's a classy female. And she's very humble. Yes. Yes. And she treat people with love and respect. So me understand why a bad man are. Cause she classy. I remember you's a war. So classy versus war. No so it go. Remember a war can be classy, you know. You see a war, always be a war. And you see a classy woman, always be a classy woman. But when you have all that, and you have classy, you can't combine it together. Cause remember on a streggy. Same like a man can take a prostitute and turn them in a one wife.
That's why I know say them done.
Because guess what? A man put a ring on a finger, you still want to feel like you can dance in the club, you don't want to change your mindset and the mentality same way, you just don't want to do the same thing same way. Because yeah, I put a ring on my finger but I still go do my same, I still go dance on the pole, I still go swing the pole and I still go sell up my pussy. That can't work. It can't work. Can't take care about that blood clot more than force it for drink water. Yeah, cause the woman me here, yeah, bring up the woman, man, and jet and this and that. You start go on at the woman. If you want to go for one jet in a pay, look how you sell out the whole of your pussy, your eye hole, your body hole, your nose hole. You know, go and go pay one money, make money carry for one jet too. What no problem? For sure, no son have bad man. What no problem? No, who black Sammy? No black car. Una bad, dirty, bad man mentality. Me don't want to get them style from. The way you talk, how you're rich, and how you have money, and how you own house and cars at Jamaica. You're not supposed to jealous of our next woman. You're supposed to go and go live the dream. Cause the way you talk, boy, you have money, you can't buy one green card in America. Pay one man for married you. How much you married in America? 120,000? Pay 120,000 US in America and get one blood clot married. That's why they married and get one papers. What the blueprint for?
Alright, my people, I go watch some more, you know what I mean? Cause she a beat Sky Diamond, me I go wait and hear if I go beat Shibata.
The house where you want a Jamaica. Can't take people for blood clot, make you over here say, you know. You can't come here come tell people say, oh, my own house, where blueprint there? You think I saw one house go? The only house where you own in your suitcase. Cause in there you live. And it you walk with. Anytime you sell out your pussy, you feel walk with wipes. This, that for change on your clothes. And you come here every day. Oh, me's a sodomite. Me no fuck man. Me no this. Me no that. Me's a sodomite. Me no bisex and sell out on a pussy. You don't have video out there right now. We do not sell out on a pussy to a man with a fungus in him too. You don't have video out there right now and sell out on a pussy to a man with a fungus in him too. I mean, I don't know if everybody see the video yet. But every time somebody send the video to, you should have one group. When them send the video in the group, should delete them and take them out of the blood clot group. Cause you want to send video with everybody, but you don't want nobody see your video when you sell out your pussy to a man with fungus in a blood clot too. Fungus in him too. Fungus in him too. For sure, no son, a dirty girl, no germs. On a old prostitute. All nasty blood clot. I don't even know if you classy and tell you say. I saw the video. Disgusting. All war. I don't want to come here and make them the girl text it pound no. Then the girl sell out the whole of them throat back in a man. Vice note all out there with that the girl so cocky all in a blood clot braces with so cocky in a braces with blood clot condom each up in her teeth in all vice note out there with that the girl Then the girl work at every club in Jamaica, you know. But the club name Donia Jamaica Shades. But the next one name. Then the girl work at every club where you can't think about, you know.
Now ask them when you need an answer.
Shades, moods, or what? Yeah, them the two club. Then the girl work at them the club. She never work at Taboo yet. Taboo no want she. The dirty club them down at Jamaica she used to work. Moods and shades. Sell out your pussy from Jamaica to yard to abroad. Sell all out. Every self-fuck girl know she. Them girls self-fuck all in a blood clot. Trinidad, them get the way them girls fuck out. Dirty club, the sodomite talk. Me know the toad girl. That me I tell you, everybody know little dirty girl. Everybody know little dirty girl. Then the girl will fuck out the whole of Trinidad. Whole of Barbados, the whole of Bahamas. Whole of them the small island period where them sell them pussy at them round town. Then they get a fuck out the whole of them the place there. And one time he used to fuck one man over Trinidad were dead. For AIDS. And the wife must send out message to everybody where in the man phone. Or on the funeral parlor. Me don't have nobody over here from Trinidad. One man where he saw on the funeral parlor in Trinidad where they dead. All the man that she used to fuck to. He dead for AIDS. Then the girl fuck all Bowman.
I call it say, I be a laugh, him a laugh. Cause him not even business ball number one, you know.
Everyone loves a good seat.
Who business ball number one, I Fantastic Four. Two, me see it right now. And only them missing business with pussy clot number one now and a balance of it. Sure. I think Shaq got business, I laugh Shaq got laugh when he say I not help him push a 5 feet because he don't know say him whether or not he must him never want it. I tell him. But when me see you not galang so, when you prove me difference, boy, corruption is the last drip of corruption this left in December. Anybody, me say Anybody miss a beat on upon this a corruption and for this a December, me go to king for TikTok. Me mean king for corruption. Cause can't king for TikTok. You think I like? If you don't believe back senseless, more corruption will come. Me say if me ever see no big up on yeah.
Zozo, me draw you. Guys, thank you. Oh, look.
I want me see you try your thing, man. See it, man. You don't look bad.
Draw good.
Yeah, man, you draw him good, man, but you're not done yet.
What else did they? No,
Oh.
when me draw it in, like me can't join teeth. Lock up, don't smile. See there? One Zozo. One Zozo.
Wrangler. One Wrangler. One Wrangler.
One Zozo badness.
For this chain that I built him for his birthday. It was a birthday gift. I'm not telling a lie them time they figure out a way if we make money, so me that we don't make money. We didn't make money. And when the man tell me so the chain now go ready for his birthday, so me could have carry it done, I had to pay extra for them to finish the chain for his birthday. He knew nothing about it. Actually, me and him friend did it. Me and Pinks alone me did tell about it. I say, okay, this mad, rare. I say, me know on the diamond, I want solid gold. Solid gold in it, is it? And for look, and say, she don't have nothing to do with this, you know. And him me blame for this, you know. Me give her a gift. And you put it on the next woman. And she made sure that I saw it on her. All if you know in love and want the boy, that I go on your dirty blood clot. I never hated 10 until I saw that. Who don't remember when the woman stand up and she make sure click the phone lights so when she stand up and then make up her face and she showed that the chain was on her neck. I never see that. Who remember good? I wanna call me attention to it. Who remember now? Nobody over here come tell me about I have problem with this and problem with that. I said enough away I enable as a man.
Let me tell you something, man. You see, everything what the G I do right now is for spite care. You see me, I say everything where I do right now. And because the dog hurt, you see me, I say, and he want make sure say you hurt also. Although he know say you hurt, but he want to show you say, yo, me, I gonna make you hurt because right now I want you back and you don't want and you don't take me back, so me I gonna hurt you. Because that's very disrespectful. You see me, I say anything a woman give you, especially, you know what I mean, something sentimental to she, come on. You're not supposed to make a next woman wear that brethren. You know what I mean? But a purpose in do it for. Let me know what you think.
What do you remember it? I'm refreshing the memory. Come and make sure I save it. As somebody else send it come give me. Come I never know it did exist. See it here? Remember? It's on our breast. If you watch the video, you see it. And somebody screenshot it and send it, come give me. As me say, now I'm not nothing to do with she. She just I do what she do for catch for her eye. then I me walk and build any enemy fear. May I tell you how I find out about that? My first time I find the message. I suppose it's in that same chat, yeah. See the message, yeah? Whoa, hold on. So the message, yeah, I gotta read it out. So the message, yeah, I'm not even one of the same name. Big stinking K. I saw the man them have you as footstool. I remember when you build that chain for him and give him 10 gift. See him put it on the next girl. Yeah, made dirty stinking girl. But hope them chose shit for you. They on the media, I go like you're somebody. The man never rate you from morning. Imagine me buying a chain that expensive to put on the next girl. You're a low life. So you see when I say my love chat, there's a lot of things that I hide. Remember, I never know nothing about it, I now follow them up. I saw me get the picture and I saw me get the message. So warm to your page, you keep on telling me for Mada upon this, a Ufa page. Warm to your page. So, them not have a type nothing guys, I don't know bother with no war. One next thing again. So you see me have reason for hate him, for people them talk about, you hate the man I want tear down him career. Like that suck pussy girl there, when I have a call her name, I have a reason for hate him. I have never hated him until that bumbleclot moment. I mean, no one no help me for hate him, but the whole of with most of you as a woman, me hate him for that. Come remember what I go through. One next thing again. At this point, him have to hate me too. Remember when anything I have, I sell. I said to him, say, repost all my body spray them for me. Him say, him can't bother with all of that for put up. A bleaching cream, I see my advertise. Remember when I have my simple body spray them I sell up on TikTok. I'm going to say repost them by your chat. And say can't bother with that. Body spark, bleaching cream. I see my advertise. Remember it has nothing to do with her. I'm woman, him have to do. And maybe it is the same case of I never did do it for Kane, so I do it for somebody else. It all come down to if a man wants to, he will. The only thing I can tell myself is everything was fake. I was the only one who was loving. I was the only one who cared. I was the only one who wanted this. You see me? It was my birthday when Mackerel released the voice note. And I called him and say, you see the internet? Him say, you know, say me you argue, you know you this for mother, why you send it go give her? I say she don't have it already. But for the first time in your life, I want you to stand up for me. I know that we're not together, but me and you cool, bro. I One time I say, I can't go this, that idiot girl when they mackerel, bro. He turned to me and he said, I don't do internet. And I won't go on the internet and diss nobody. I say, okay, even if you don't want to diss her, I'm not tell you for diss her. Just go clear the fucking ear because me and you know it was an argument and me diss your mother, you just diss me back. Him say him not do it. Then when you do it now, it means absolutely nothing to me. It was my fucking birthday. That's why when he did want to give me the money for my birthday, I tell him something good. I never send for the money. He said, okay, I have money I give for your birthday and you're over this to buy anything where you want. I did not take it. If you couldn't do it for the day, I'm going to ask you. He never have to come this mackerel because I'm a man. And I'm my fault for true me send it go gear. But a nip could have gone at the boat right there so from it release. From it release, you could have said, oi, 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 oi. Hey, girl. Nobody come start up this. This me night and say, can you not chat too much? And you shouldn't send that come here because me and I argue. You wait till one bumbo clock month after, so you see the internet and name me up. You could have put a stop to it because me and you saw me on the internet justifying what really happened and you said nothing. So I am supposed to hate you. You have never defended me. You have never supported me. On this internet, me attack. I'm not going to say no support me privately. But you have never supported me publicly. And all I do was support you publicly. I loved you publicly. I supported you publicly. I keep up to your fucker them publicly. I defended you publicly. Even when I was getting the drug, I stand on 10 toes down. Yeah, my man fuck that fuck who you want fuck me husband. Dig out them throat back. I defended you publicly. I loved you publicly. I took all the L's for you publicly. More else for you than I ever took for myself because the internet cannot talk anything about me. I stay on my truth. I speak my truth every single day. No matter how horrible it sound, no matter how good it sound, I speak.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We can watch some more.
My truth. So me never have to defend K because nobody could not have nothing to say about K herself. Nobody. Mr. Shay get up and go for file for every blood clot girl. And Shay can't find a file for me because none of her file them not connect. Me know Shay if you go on people live and when Shay says she had done girl 40 days and 40 nights and Shay couldn't even give me 5 days out her fucking 40 because she don't have no fucking story on me. I speak my truth. I speak my truth, my story. No girl, no Roger, nobody, no girl. You notice every time they want clackati, it's about man. It's about you. Cause up to now, me not have an ex to come out and come diss me. Me and Bobby left. Me and Bobby left. And me left Bobby just like how me left you. And him still could have find it in him heart to come say, K a good bumbo clot woman. And Bobby me see come out. Cause run my blood clot mackerel. When mackerel never even did call Bobby name. So who the fuck were you to me? You were nothing to me. I was nothing to you. So it's when you go talk. Say me a build up hater for you, me go always start the truth. And that's why you go think me a go build hater for you. Not building no hater for you. I'm speaking my truth. Cause you go for your interview and go like you want to style me. Till I Swiftly come on and say it as joke. And sometimes some people run some joke with you. You have to really sit down and think about it. I know it's a Swiss comes here a while ago, kind of upstir my brain a while ago. Listen to to the interview where you find out who K is. That interview that can't define who K is. A K alone can define who K is. So Rosealee said that as joke, and maybe I that enough money that really look on for true and say, yo, I'm listen to that interview, yeah, and you find out who K is. No, that's no fucking joke to me. That interview don't define who K the fuck is. That interview was all over the place. This minute you like me, this minute you hate me, and that me get out of it. That interview belittled me, like you fuck on me and me fuck on you, and that wasn't the ball game, but that you left on people. Come on the internet, come tell them when me fuck. Me fuck after me come from England and me tell you say me and you left. And before me go fuck, me tell you to move out and you say yes. And when my sister you know move out, me change me lock them on my door. I'm supposed to do all of that. And when my sister me go there Spanish town and me still have to encounter with you, me run where God country go live because I needed K. I missed K. I'm never gonna stop till me get her back. And motherfucker, she is back in full bomber cloth effect. So man, so no, I want to left him, but Yanni is still asleep. I'm not even gonna cap. Me never tell you no say me and him not even fuck back since the break up from March. We fuck maybe 1, 2 to 3 times, and he still couldn't remember nothing. When I know me not keep nothing done. Me love chat. You say me love chat, so me a chat then now pussy. We fuck. We hook up and we fuck about 2 to 3 times, but he couldn't fix nothing. I am the only one who sit here and defend me. No fun to go back and fuck with no woman. Stop it. You will up to know you still a fuck your ex-man and you're living in your old children. Don't judge me. At the end of the day, I'm legally married. That's not his pain. So if I want to give him like a pussy, I could have given. Because people are going to try because they still have emotional connection to them. Remember, I never left him off I hate, you know. I left him when I love him. And no fun can't fucking cap on top, but when me and the boy left me, no go, bitch, lie, you're going to give the boy a one touch. Not for we do it, so judge me if you want, bitch. Was it good? It was great. Was it enough? No, come and go back on my yard. Was I single when I did it? Hell the fuck yes. I never have no man. My cousin go fuck my husband. I never have no man, so my cousin go fuck my husband. Who else me I go fuck? And the pussy want look wet eyes. Y'all gonna always hate me for my truth. You know what's so crazy? Every time we hook up, we cry. I don't know what both of us are crying for, but we cry. I just wish it could have fixed things. But I told myself I wouldn't want to go back in a steady relationship with you knowing that I have you up. If me and you gonna do a relationship, you have to want me all over again. You have to love me correctly. You have to be there for me correctly. You have to support me correctly. Fuck alone couldn't fix it. Me have to get rid of all that where you put me through in my head before me can say we are gonna go back. And this is what a lot of people don't do. A lot of people sit down and say, okay, we're gonna tell you what me do now. Since we love chat, I stay.
Alright, my people, me I go say this, right? You see, sometimes we as people see a relationship and we like the people them together and something and we want them stay together. All when the relationship not perfect, we still want them to stay together. We don't know what I want, especially indoors. You see me I say why that person had to leave the next person they we love so much. You see me I say sometimes you have to just left the person. Even though you know say people want soda together and rare. You know what I mean? So I just saw it go in life sometime. You know what I mean? Me understand where Kay I go through my people because she loved the G and she end up left him. You must know say she can't take whatever go on between them. You know what I mean? No more. She cheat, him cheat. That's a recipe for disaster. You better on the left because it now go get back to normal. No matter how on the try, it now go back to normal. Me I tell her, believe me. You see me I say cause resentment I go there and people are go always look out at one eye. You see me? I say yo, you know, so me feel like you know what I mean? So let me know what the thing.
That's an Airbnb. Me come home back. Me and him have me call him. Yeah. And him say he want to talk to me. And him want to know if we really left. And me look upon him and me say we really left. Him say you serious? Me say yeah. Him say Kayona you go fuck? Me say yeah. And he mash up the whole house. Him grab me up. Him never fight me. But him fuck up your whole house. Me say, me tell you, say me and you left. You never believe. Oh. On top of that, we fuck. And when me and him fuck, him say, me not believe say you fuck. Me say, remember say pussy stressed and pussy go back. Remember say you have a big boy. And everybody big like you. Remember say, Crystal was there. And after that, after the fuck, after the mashup house, he never saw me again. On my kid's life, he never saw me again. I ran away. When me tell my friend them say me I run away, them laugh off of me. Them never take it serious, say me I run away. I pack my bags and I ran away. I just go up on my Airbnb app and I run away. I go country, I go Ochi. And when I go Ochi, I'm staying at the Airbnb, I start look at apartment in there for live. And it's so crazy. I ask the security them say, no, in here now rent, come I feel at home. And all of my friends them, they think say me too random. Even suck pussy mackerel come talk it say, me I move go country and this and that. Mind you, when I tell Seven Stab say I want to leave, him say whatever you want to do, I support you. I say me nah no money, the man said that at the least. He provided everything. He provided the moving money, the moving truck, the more furniture them, the more he did everything for me to make me comfortable. So you think me did I give you the opportunity there and don't take it? You wouldn't. And I ran away. Mama tell you, we not understand this. You see, sometimes some man come in your life, them not come for stay. Sometimes you sit down and you pray and say, God, send me somebody who are going to do that for me. You know why? Even though me and Seven Stab not together and we not talk no more and them something there, I will forever appreciate him because one man show up in at the time when me did need them the most. Me feel like Seven Stab was my destiny helper.
Them always come at me. I say my bad mind. And I could believe I'm on talk it loud and proud. The only bad mind person in it is Uno. Because I know circumstances. Uno never see me the part of my life and watch funny life yet. That's number one. Me never going at 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 or 15. When me have 3 phone. When me have 2, when me on an argument I go pound the life. So I no bad mind me. Wanna never hear me upon phone live. Hear on the live in my background yet. I listen to me upon my live. Never. However, we are ranked last night. How we are ranked, right? The lady was spend her birthday lonely. Push. My man, any man come push me. People push me up. The lady was spend her birthday. The lady was spend her birthday lonely. Push her friend. We don't really have no problem. So oh, it blood clot come down to bad mind where there is a competition. Oh, me bad mind when it's a competition. My man come push me with other people. The lady was on her birthday. The lady was on her birthday lonely. And by the gift them for herself. Kind of bad not really want them. Push her friend. To pass me. And it was an on and on, to and from. And them still up on my live and watch me. And when me say something, and me, met the two lady, me met the other lady, get the push. T-Nice! Can't even begin nothing because, and me met the other lady get the push. Lady Diana Simpson, Clark Miller, Jones, get the push. To the M. If it never was me, you wouldn't get the push to the M. If me to come off of my live and I look at you, wouldn't reach M. And the talk when me make you reach the M. And I sit down and I watch me make a talk. Make you no reach M. However, Major big up a clean status Angola boss. Book it. You're out. Our teeth with tongue with eye and nigga. The flyers I shall be at the party. Anyway, when I discuss that, come here. Well, when I was people say them bad mind. Come here, what wanna have? No more ask, you know. The year I don't know. The year is finishing. If you ask this person today, what someone have for people for bad mind, you know? Uno not a cloud, uno not a followers, uno live people name like Chink every day. What wanna have? Mr. Luman living at the glass house with a 5-bedroom, it full of store in a blood clot with people. Eh? Some of them don't even have bed. What wanna really have for people bad mind, you know? What wanna really have? I mean have shit, you know. But on a bad mind, with my mouth. And I can interact with people. And I can draw one audience. And I can sit down here and touch a ranking board. And I not fear playing a match. Someone can do it. I can sit here, you know, over here last night entertain my people. I'm going to get a lion.
Well, more say this, Rosealee, you can't really come say, you know, bad mind people and very how people have fear for bad mind them and them something. You can't really come say that, you know, because it show last night say your bad mind Jakes, you know, want him to reach nowhere in a life. You see me I say? So, you know what I mean? Actions speak louder than words and you show actions last night. So, let me know what you think with people.
I can entertain. What you not have to bring to the table to TikTok? You not talk about bad mind. Eh? You know I can't arrest me name? Cause you not gonna survive without it. So the whole I want bad mind me. Keisha! The reason why I'm not here to the 8 me now, I cannot rest me name. Because what? You don't have to talk about because if you don't talk about me, nobody not come over on yourself and pathetic. Nobody not use you know. Not curious to the dog back over here, the dog. The dog is one of the mongrel dog them. People have a platform. As them starts a rose, you get all 40-50 people. When them click them live and over there to themselves with one somebody or none. Long as them starts a rose, they get all 50 or 80 people. You're not gonna stop. Why only don't say my name put money in your pocket? Because you can't stop calling it every single day. The young lady was sat on her blood clot birthday moment. Don't get a hug or a kiss. Sad like yesterday, last week or last month. The saddest days of my life are when some man fuck on one don't want to know. Me I throw my jobs at. You're sad. You know, every day you call my name, and when I don't see you, I mean, here you say your class, your mama, your sister, or your sister pick me handicap, and you're going to oh man, grind, you know, use, and I want to say your name. You're sad. And you will look at me and tell me, say, but me see it in our eyes, you know, the depression, the neglect, the worries. Because me that traumatized living in a 5-bedroom house, me pick them alone and a man in the home. I have stress to me have stress to my teeth because I got the BLLL bill. Me not surprised me alone sling on my yard to blood clot. No man no their home. You want if somebody needs some company at times. Them sad. All of them. But who in a relationship and who no in a none. Because if me say something that does not interest me not talk about it. That is the difference between me and Uno. Uno cannot interest me like how me can interest Uno. It's an interest. I run TikTok. I'm not very uninterested. Born with capital B. Kiss me teeth. Uno saw torment. Uno boring. Nothing about them. And I come out a morning and slip and drop. And I come out a morning and slip and drop a ground. Boop, one viral moment. They would have put up me with tsunami, put me up with earthquake, put me up with every single thing. I don't know how I get it. But I don't really want to rest me, you know. I don't really want them to rest me, Bella. Because I will always keep the interest of the people in. I don't want to hear about madman. I don't argue with people that have them Bellevue certificate. Don't let me not argue with you, I tell you the honest truth. Me not go argue with you, because when you see me in the streets, want me Rosie like me your bestie. So I know you're looking close. Remember we both work here and we know the statistics of the requirement to reach a staff member. Cause don't depend on staff till them come off a staff. Don't reach staff all now because but not talk but not use them. So you can talk all you want to talk. I'm not going to argue with you. Cause I live alone and you live alone. So what you're gonna argue about? 95% of the time we take people don't not even want to see us. Me are working at the same bracket. Me not gonna argue with you. The only thing different from me and you is you mad and me no mad. You know what I'm saying? Me not gonna argue with a big lady. Let's say eat mirror. I come at me too. Eat mirror. Eat mirror. I come at me too. He make one video attack and him a chat to me and I say, what is wrong with this little boy? What is wrong with you, eat mirror? What is wrong with you? Me not gonna argue with you. I say me don't want to make a video but me say me not gonna make a video. Jayden, me not gonna argue with you. Because I know why you are very upset. And I don't want a friend for me, that's number one. And number two, me not block you. You look a good game for me where you not gonna get. You have buried your bridges with I have buried my bridges with you. So you can do all what you want to do. Come up on my page and see me that video and you I tell me say me bad man. Remember you were the one that come on social media and said if anybody want number one they'd have to ask you. You forgot? But see me not hear it but thanks. Thank you buff. You were the one couple months ago, the year not finished yet. You were the one that come and said if anybody wants number one, they'd have to ask you. Love you too, baby. The podium doesn't belong to nobody. And why would I come on my platform and say, oh, if I want number one, you have to ask me. You forgot? The first somebody take you down a Gage. Gage take you down. Me take you down. Pops take you down. I must about 2 other somebody else take you down. And fire get your hand, fire get your feet. I know we can't say shot fire about you. Well, one never still I use the app. Look at what I'm not gonna argue with you, honestly. You go and make up 40 video, 40 line video. You bad mind me. I took it from a place where nobody never see you none at all. And you know you do? Yes, you do. You pinch corruption. And you flip the script. I'm not argue with you. For me, for my friend, for a friend of mine to left my yard. Me have a friend, come I have him as a friend them time. For a person left them yard to run to my rescue at all means and demand, and I know it was just a prank. What kind of friend that be? Jen, it's not my fault that TikTok realize why you be. It's yours. Cause people would eventually realize why you be. It's not my fault, Papa. It's yours. People eventually realize me left my yard, come around you for escape car key for girl. One at a time, 2 years ago, I put out, me to live somewhere. We can accommodate people, make you sleep in my house. I know a lie. That is how evil you are. Time will destroy one in a Jayden. What time destroy one on me? So don't brush on my back. You always come and say I'm big, I'm a stink, I'm a fat, I'm a sour, I'm a whale and this and that. And I don't have any problem. But time will destroy one piece by piece. Time. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do a thing. I'm not going to argue with you, Papa, please. I'm not going to wait for the good work for you. I'm not going to tell you leave me alone. This is one cloud you have to chase. You will always trace my cloud because I don't want a friend from you. Because you're evil with capital E. You cannot be trusted. So I'm going to give the laws of the book, Jayden. Me bad mind, you evil, conniving, wicked. I don't care about yourself and money. And when we get to identify that, not even a syndicate you can be of minds. Whoosh. When we get to realize what someone wanna be upon the app, not even a syndicate of minds on can be. Me not use a local boy. Go away. I'm not waste my 2 cents per either. Go away. Because I want to understand, say, Father God, I like ugly. It's on your heart black and your mind bitter. Father God, I like ugly. It will be seems like you're winning now, you know.
Well, my people, me can say this and say it with my chest up. You know what I mean? The lion man, him fi thankful for Rosealee, and no matter what anybody else say about Rosealee, him fi keep a for him mouth. Him not fi say nothing at all. You have to remember good way people do feel. And maybe if it wasn't for Rosealee, you wouldn't dare wish for you there on TikTok right now. So you have to give thanks for that female. Although she may be bad mind or whatever, you have to give thanks for her because she shine some light upon you and take you up when you did in your darkest place. When people turn them back upon you, we say you and them good. You so me I say you have to be thankful for Rosealee and you should never turn your mouth against her. Big man thing, me people.
But not for long. Because you're gonna need a particular person with this at the end time in life, so be careful what you do. I want to know all of them sitting over here and them diss me, them friend back and talk back to them. Me have time when my chapter close and my door close and me not use them. Me not come hold an argument with you in a period. Me not argue with you, period. I look one back and forth and one to and from and this and that and that. I like disrespect woman and people see it. That's why you lose support. You like this woman. And majority of the people, 98% of the people who come give people on Twitter are ladies. You like to sit down on this woman. Yeah. And sometimes I just who hate me and like who hate me who hate me, I like you in a class, me always come support you. But me I tell her this little boy, it's 2025, I mean I can't 2026. My door is closed when it comes to you. I lock my door. I can never trust you. The last session in our day I've tried for trust him, try to make ends meet, but what? Him is a boy, he will never ever change. And me can't have my friend, and I always want to show up my friend and make my friend feel some type of way and say I'm a friend. When you have a friend, you have to give in to them feelings. Him cannot be tamed because what? Money are just them problem. When a person care about money and not feelings, you can't trust them the people. Cause he only care about the coins on the app, views and coins. They don't care about the feelings. So you will never be friend anyway. We could leave she alone. Cause when I go down, when I never got to disrespect, come and have the time. Me I look too live goal there. Then someone never know say when you can't make people hungry down, they would collect money for. Keisha, we cannot make people hungry than we collect money. When I just jump up because my boo call me and we were talking and whatever you. I sleep over my best still. I'm in a year. Them thief, Mada Miriam money. Mada Miriam, tell me if you tell you this a year I wanna hear. Mada Miriam, this a year I wanna hear. Lord, hey, me murder. Me not, hey, I say my eyelash them butt out. The boy fuck up my eyelash. Me say, Toto, don't come on my, Toto in already say a blood clot in my membrane. Oh, them crumble so quick. Not even a month. Me to tell them. Me to tell people so what? What did I tell people say? I know. I know. And that's why 95% of them over here don't like me. Me what with the 5%? Everybody hungry for money. If them come on TikTok come make 250,000 Jamaican dollar, them not get 200,000, them not get 200,000, at 10,000 shall get. Because you fool and naive and dumb. When you have on a paid story, do not rinks my name. I have nothing to do with nothing what we not talk about. Don't tell a lie for me. Because literally I don't care. Because I have said this before. You come on the platform, you hustle you come by your hustle the diamonds them almost 40,000, 38,000, roughly 140,000. She hustle. You couldn't buy her a phone and then you still not getting the money. Because her daughter don't go school today. She never got Friday. And last time she come and say she hungry. And I don't see the improvement. So you know just use her in an argument with me, because in her head, I know.
People, when me tell you about them fly-by night manager and them people around Rosealee, Mada, don't me tell you to say it go bad and see it there.
Mada Miriam, very well. And I know when she do these things, I know she's been programmed. You not understand and get it. People were around for years and them reaction, I can tell you. I know when they are programmed. Rotten old Vani, our best to show this she program him. Is she a tell him to come argue with me? Is she a tell him to argue? I know. Is she a program him for argue with me? Cause if him alone, him don't pay me no mind. Them a Capricorn. Is she a program him attempts to argue with her? Cause when you argue with her, you will get followers, you will get clout. Troll her, she will answer you back. She use the word troll. Troll them will answer. Is she a tell him to do it? No, however, them in a fear head that a Mada Miriam. Them in her head. So let me tell her, say, go on the yard, go argue with her. I want you to argue back with you. You come click live and you get money and views and fellowship. But one thing Mada Miriam now realizes that you're not going to benefit out of it no time. As anytime them get the big bus where them want, them going to throw you underneath the bus. Them going to flush you back in the tile like a tissue. Them now going to use you. Because what? The page is climbing, views is coming, and kinds are coming. They shouldn't want nothing. But anyway, let us not elaborate. Because somebody that I go over Total Live and somebody type and say, them say me change the password like I me create the page. Anyway, I look too live good. I come but that I work, I come. I look too live goal. I have spoken before, I don't have time to go back over that. Because what? Number one, nobody can tutor you to be red eye. That's why I'm not going to go to the word pastor. Number one, nobody in the world can tutor you to be red eye. Nobody can tutor to be bad mind. You have to have them in their genes. Yeah. Nobody can tutor you to be bad mind. Nobody can tutor you to be red eye. You have to have them in your genes. Genetics, you're born with it. Because I'm gonna do him thing cannot affect me. If me a bad mind, them are red eye. Do all of them bad mind, because everything will be no problem with it. Nanny, I don't know bad mind, everything me do pay, I don't have problem with it. Every single thing. I mean, no soon. I want to know I don't fool to me, I don't even care. That's what the level between me and you. Everything me do is a problem on the app. Every single thing me do. I when uno do nothing, me don't even care. So who really bad mind? Who bad mind? Who? Listen me talk about uno. Me only identify when uno call me name, and some uno not gonna identify by me. Come in and go pan phone parade. So all who message to the girls and the boys them over here who feel like say me Rosealee, I will argue back with uno. Me not argue with uno. I don't want to come with I don't care. So don't bother waste no time. Yeah, reach a point in my life now, I don't know what I'm going to argue with you and tell you to say. I don't know do no back and front. We're not going to stay over on the pathetic tie side and me stay over with some good girl who can throw me two little diamonds. I don't argue with you. What sense it make? After me not fight for place over here. I not play fight for spot. Or if I not fight for spot. Remember you can't bury dead after 6, you know. Me not fight for spot by you, so me go argue and tell you no say. 99.9% of someone not living the life, you know. I will live out of people pocket, so with the blood clad. Me only go argue back over here for. Wanna live out of people pocket like myself. If gifts don't try, don't eat. I might gift us pay my internet bill Saturday night. Me not argue with two blood clad girl. Brother go look a boy for fuck me. The year I done. Me have problem 2 minutes. Me want move. Me have kids. For man, I'm in a blood clot in a 640. You me argue in a blood clot for? You not live my life. Refresh your life. I see the moment. What you really want me to argue with you? I saw you really want me for soon. That's not important. Sometimes I tell myself saying I'm not that important. I don't sit up. Remember only when me lick the for you. My son crawl out. Remember it's me who the content, you know. I wanna like always talk at my house after make the FYPs. Me I look too well. Me can't stop them in a chat. 8,000 people, I cannot stop them. Me will always make the FYP, you know. My Bible verse for instincts belongs on the FYPs. Tap it, not reach the FYP. Sexy browning. You can't let me something now. Me shall always make the FYPs. Because I work here. So when someone was about, oh, she's cleaning card. Me a clean card, I'm ever made the FYP. Every month, never get my blood clot. Every month, me have to come here, gold digger, let me something. Christmas, I come, let me something. Me I get back when I come to Jamaica. Have I even kiss and hugs? Let me something, gold digger. So anything we have to let me. After the blood clot month, you don't like that. When did I work? I work properly to make the list employee of the month. Never make me employee of the blood clot month. Signed and sealed by the boss. You know not make me employee blood clot. Employee of the month. Oh, me? Every month. Never get employee, whether first place, second place, or third place. Me picture it up on the platter. I work, me come. Me I look too well from two girl. Me can change your eye through blood clot them. Yes, Danny good. Employee of the blood clot month. Now that burns them. I want murder them do me extra blood clot hours. Never make employee of the blood clot month, Lisa. She's cleaning card. Tomorrow go clean on the wall. Then if me that blood clot clean card, me come on and spend 1 hour and gone. Me could have want to make FYP. If me a clean card, what the fuck me up on FYP? You know, so no sense. Why don't you go beard and brush the cum them out on the throat back? Can't swallow too much. I'm not so fool. I love chat. Me could have clean blood clot card. I want me the FYP. If me a clean card, me don't want me the FYP a blood clot. What me do on the FYP? I mean, I come clean, I can't go about my blood clot business. Me sit down over here, we do a clean, can't read me, I will just throw away, try and leave. Me not even spend 2 hours, me not do no drama. Who don't have me a clean card, I can't call my name so much. Cause me can't click me life and lie long on my blood clot, but then just play random match.